Delmia Robotics arc welding for industrial equipment delivers a unique 3D experience that lets robot programmers program robotic cells offline. Delmia Robotics increases your manufacturing agility with improved cycle time accuracy from the earliest stages of bidding throughout engineering. Native collaboration between engineering and manufacturing allows robot programmers to react quickly to design changes. Positioners, weld guns, and tooling designs are validated early in the design phase. Multi-resource communication and advanced logic integration allows you to increase your robot utilization rates, maximize production volume, and control your production risks. Delmia Applications for Robotic Programmers allows design and manufacturing teams to collaborate more effectively, so they can evaluate design changes more quickly, discover production deficiencies earlier in the process, and get maximum utilization from production resources.